Sir, before moving to next question, let me ask you for permission. Can we just extend for few 5 minutes or some?
You want to take a break?
No, no, not break. Just extend for 5 minutes.
Okay,
5 minutes
extend.
after 5:30.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Thank you. Because we have questions lined up. So if I
Yeah,
could get about.
it's a compliment to me, right?
Okay.
Saturday evening, if people are wanting to listen to Booklet Guy more, और क्या चाहिए? Mission accomplished. Yeah,
Yes.
somebody's girlfriend must be waiting right now at the bus stop. No, she must be feeling jealous of me.
So Sanyam is asking how to implement daily learnings that we get from books. He has given example how to win friends and influence. At every step, author tells us to take certain steps daily, like not criticizing, etc. So how to implement these steps in daily life? As if we not implement them, we will forget all learnings, and after some time, and so it will be not very worthy for us in long term. So
Agreed.
you,
Very good question. I liked it. For that, we need to understand that learning and doing are not two different phases. Our schooling system, our education system has brought up in a culture where we have taught that first you have to learn within the four walls of the classroom for 10-15 years and then apply. ऐसा नहीं होता है. It's one learning. Doing is learning. So forget about reading and implementing. They both should happen at the same time. All the coders know this very well. आप कितना भी कोडिंग का लैंग्वेज की पढ़ाई करो, जब तक आप खुद कोडिंग नहीं करोगे एक छोटे से प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, हेलो वर्ल्ड वाला प्रोजेक्ट इज द फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ एनी लैंग्वेज, राइट? जब तक आप करोगे नहीं, यू डोंट गेट दोस माइन्यूट डिटेल्स. सिली सिंपल कोलन इज मिस्ड एंड द प्रोग्राम डजंट रन. है ना? I have very limited knowledge about IT, but this is the reality. Yes, for a girl wants to play learn piano. Does she say I am learning piano, then I'll play piano? Are these two different phases? No. Playing and learning is one and the same, right? And it is impossible to learn without mistakes. Impossible, right? So you don't have to wait till the last page of a book to take action on. For example, she has given a very wonderful example of don't criticize. When the author says don't criticize, it also says appreciate. Take the first opportunity to appreciate somebody. I will immediately, once I read it, I will take out WhatsApp and message Indranil, nice DP. Haven't I taken action? And I genuinely mean that. Not flattering Indranil. Only if I like his DP, I will write nice DP. And then see, the world changes. Indranil will see, हाँ वो मैंने यहाँ पे फोटो निकाला था, I have great memories about it, and on and on. You have done, the author is successful here. So what I do is I try to force that idea and put it in my daily routine within 48 hours after I learn it from the book. I'll give you a simple example. So I read a book called The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss. Needless to mention, I have covered it in Booklet app. There was one Parkinson's law which says we expand our work to fill up the time available to complete it. I repeat, we expand our work to fill up the time available to complete it. मतलब क्या? If my job timings are 9 to 5, I will schedule my 9 to 5 hours in such a way and work at such a pace that 5 बज जाएंगे. Are you getting my point? Or another example, if you have 4 months for the exams, you might take 3 days to complete one chapter. But if your exam is tomorrow, you will complete the same chapter in 1 hour. You expand our work. Now, this example of Parkinson's law was given by the author in some business context. Okay. I have this habit of zooming out from that book. Another word is reading between the lines. I like to call it as zooming out and looking at the bigger picture with a broader perspective in a holistic way. And how can I use this? I got the idea now, the big picture. How can I use it in other areas of my life? The example that he has given is not relevant to me because मैं job नहीं करता. Then I thought I go to the gym and I go to the gym to fill up those 2 hours. I'm there in the gym for 2 hours. पसीना तो आता नहीं है, वेट तो घटा नहीं अभी तक, बहुत दिन हो गए, तो मैं करता क्या हूँ? I actually expand my workout to fill up those 2 hours. एक सेट मारा, फिर इधर उधर देखा, वो गाना चेंज किया, फिर देखा दोस्त आ गया, फिर व्हाट्सएप खोला. So I downloaded an app, a timer app, something workout timer, and set a time of 45 seconds workout, 25 seconds rest. Or say repeat, this lapses gets repeated. I started completing my 2 hour workout in 20 minutes. Can you believe? See how I implemented that idea in my gym, the business idea in my gym. Yeah, there is one book written by a Navy SEAL. Make my bed. Means the first thing you should do in the morning is make your bed. Now it is a metaphor to do something that you ought to do and not what you like to do as the first activity of your day. If your first activity of the day is you wake up and scroll those news feeds on Instagram, there is a high chance that you will be doing some unproductive job throughout the day. But if you do the first thing like making your bed, it will give a positive feedback to your subconscious mind, and you might have a productive day for the rest of the day. Now that make your bed was a metaphor. What does it mean? That I applied it on my desktop, that I should keep my desktop clean. My desktop was like full of files. वो इतने files रहते हैं कि पीछे का wallpaper भी नहीं दिखता है. So don't you think that bed is a metaphor for my desktop as well, to keep my desk clean? Whenever I start working on my desk, I should first clean my desk, keep it nice and tidy, and then get started. So see कहाँ का कहाँ मैंने use किया. So unfortunately we limit our imagination only to that context for the example that the author has given in the book. ऐसा नहीं है. He is giving the example because it was his personal example.